How to manage bookmarks on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage bookmarks on Google Chrome mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and then click these 3 points here, and now you will see this one here, bookmarks. Just click here, and here you can manage bookmarks. And as you see, I don't have any bookmarks on Google Chrome, but you will see here many bookmarks if you have, and then just manage anything you want. And that's it for this video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.